All right, all right, all right. I believe we are live here. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Ontarian here, the Passive Income Guru. Hope you guys are doing well on this beautiful day. And today, I'm going to show you guys some results, some proof of our handy dandy hands-free auto trader. Okay. This is something that I'm very excited about. As you guys know, I'm in a couple of different trading companies. I want to continue to establish that because I like both companies. Okay. UOP FX is a company. I've been with them for quite a while. And Tradera is another company. I've been with them for a short time, about a month now. I like both. You know, I'm all about leverage. I'm all about maximization. So if I can take something from one company and something from another company, I'm going to utilize it to the best of my abilities because I want to maximize my situation. Okay. And that's what it's all about. So I'm going to be doing more videos when it comes to the other company as well. Very, very soon, Tradera, and break down the mechanics of that over there as well. Over here with UOP, we have it is a Forex Trading Academy. Let me just do this. Let me share my screen real quick before I show you some results. And I've been getting people asking me, you know, in my inbox, hey, I want to, you know, how many pips are you getting? You know, can you show me some numbers? So I just literally probably about 20 minutes ago finished hooking up FX books. Okay, that way you can see some numbers. But before I do that, let me go to the back office and show you what we have with UOP, okay? So let me share my screen here. And let's get down to business. What's up? What's up, fellas? I see y'all coming in. What's up, Albert? What's up, Brian? What's up, Hector? Hector just joined. Hector's a new customer of mine who is going to love this system. I'm going to show you guys a couple of more testimonials before this video is done as well. They're coming in by the day now, and I love to see that. So share screen, and you guys should be able to see my screen now. Okay, you should be able to see my screen right now. If you're tuning in as well, let me know where you're tuning in from. We'd love to know who you are. We'd love to know who you are, and hopefully this video serves you well. So real quick, UOP FX, guys, has been around for a while, okay? I've been with them personally over 2 years, probably more than that. But it is a Forex Trading Academy, all right? Now, before I show the results or you know, anything, I want to make sure that I give a disclaimer when it comes to trading. Trading is high risk, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't mean you can't be profitable. Okay, although it's high risk, that doesn't mean you cannot be profitable. I'm surprised when I run into other entrepreneurs or other people that want to be entrepreneurs, and when I mention Forex trading, it's like they run away from it. Something I've never understood that, because this particular vehicle, sorry guys, I'm throwing some things away here. This particular vehicle is something that can grow your money. It's something that you put in your investment and you can make money on your money. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? Who doesn't want to compound their earnings? Okay. You work for a long time out in corporate America or wherever you work. You work for all these years, okay, for someone else, for someone else's dream, okay? And you get presented with something that can actually build your own economy financially. That should make a lot of sense. Not only that, all the money that you worked for all those years, it comes a point in time where you're ready to, you know, hang up the you're ready to hang up the boots. You're ready to call it quits. You're ready to do something, you know, to retire, so to speak, travel. One of the best ways you can do that without having to bother anybody, okay, listen to me closely, without having to bother anybody, is Forex trading, ladies and gentlemen. Just learning the skill. Just learning, like you see here, we got fundamentals in trading, okay? It don't matter if you never heard of, it don't matter if you don't know how to spell Forex. You're gonna learn how, you'll learn what Forex is, what it does, and how to capitalize on it, okay? As you can see here. So we got Forex Fundamentals Part 1, Forex Fundamentals Part 2, when you get into the more of the basics and learning chart basics, support and resistance, candle patterns, things like that, okay? This is like taking yourself back to school. When you went to college, you went to learn a skill in order to take that skill, and guess what? Because in my eyes, ladies and gentlemen, society is backwards. You go to school to go and learn a skill to work for somebody else's dream. What they don't tell us and what they don't push in these schools is learning a skill that where you can work, when you can build your own economy and work for your own dreams. That's the real American dream if you want to get down to it, as far as when it comes to financial gain, building your own economy. Okay, so Forex is one of those deals that, hey, you got to have it. It's the real exit game. Okay, outside of real estate, okay, this right here for the common person, you know, who doesn't have a lot of capital. And when I talk about a lot of capital, I'm talking about capital to put in real estate right now, thousands of dollars. This is going to be your best bet right here. Okay. So again, you see that we got a back office, all types of training going on here. Okay. Now, the other thing we have is quite a bit of software and tools. Excuse me. Quite a bit of software and tools right here. Uh-oh, what happened? Let me go back. Sorry about that, guys. All right, here we go. So look at all the tools. And so this is what we're going to be talking. This is the Scalp King is is the EA, or the expert advisor. It is the auto trader that I'm tied to, and I've been using it since April 20th of this year. Okay, not a long time. Okay, April 20th of 2020 is when I first hooked up to this particular EA. Okay, let me go ahead and give a disclaimer. Again, Forex trading is high risk. The results that I'm going to show you are not typical. They're not indicative of your future results. That means the results that you see that I'm getting here, that means you're not going to get the same results. And I'm not going to guarantee you the same results. Okay? If I get on here and say, I guarantee you're going to make this amount of percentage, or I guarantee you this is going to happen, that is against the rules. Okay, I cannot do that. It's against the law, actually, in my eyes. I can't do that. Okay, nothing in life is guaranteed. We all know that. I'm just going to show you what's happened so far since I've been hooked up to it. So we have several tools and software, as you see here. Trend Assassin is our newest EA, expert advisor. We have a ton of indicators. Elliott Wave, one of the favorites in the business, is the hybrid system. Now, the hybrid system, ladies and gentlemen, is a nice tool. Okay, I've used it. It is very, very nice. One of the things it does, it helps you to capture reversals in the market. And it's like I say, it's very nice. Okay, Trade Finder, Trade Manager, the Sweet Box is dealing with Fibonacci zones. UOP, this is another EA. This is one of the first EAs that I used when I first joined the company. We got quarters theories. Look at all of this that you get with the membership. Okay, a plethora of tools. Okay, very, very nice. All right. We also have a training vault. Okay, so you can look at past webinars, okay, that has been recorded over the past couple of years. The other thing is the company has ongoing webinars, okay? Weekly ongoing webinars, okay? So I like to look at it like this. This is this is a school. This is a school that you can tap into to learn something that can really change your life financially. If you've been looking for something that, passive, this is true passive income, but you have to come in and learn the skill. However, if you want to, on top of you learning the skill, which I implore that you do, encourage you that you do, on top of learning the skill, you want to make sure that you hook up to our Scalp King, because Scalp King is going to help you earn some extra income on the back end while you're learning. That's what it's set up to do. Again, I can't guarantee that you're going to make a certain percentage, but it's set up to where you can start to make something on the back end, right, while you're learning this skill. As a matter of fact, I see one of my customers on right now, Tanisha. Tanisha joined. She joined us, about 3 days ago, Tanisha, 4 days ago, and you're already starting to see some results with the Scalp King. So you messaged me a couple of days ago and said, hey, look, this is what I've experienced so far. So congratulations on that, Tanisha. You just got to follow the rules here, and everything will be okay. So let's get to the numbers. Okay, I know that's what a lot of you probably are. You're ready to see. Show me the numbers. Okay. Before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, give me one moment here. One moment, please. Be right back. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so let's go to FX Books, shall we? Now, let me just say this. I'm very, very new to FX Books. Okay, very, very new. So I don't know how to read every single thing. I'm just going to give you what I know to be true. Okay, and we'll go from there. Again, these numbers are not typical. Okay, the same numbers you see I'm getting, I'm not going to promise you the same. I can't do that. So I hooked up. Remember, I told you, and guys, I'm very transparent, as you will know. If you haven't known, I will let you know exactly what's going on. I just told you I hooked up to this April the 20th. There's the date of April the 20th. Very short time in this. Today is what, May the 5th? Is that right? Yep. Man, this month is cruising. So that's May 5th, okay? So far, since I've been hooked up to the Scalp King, ladies and gentlemen, since since April the 20th, 28.49% gain. Okay, you see the gradual increase here. So you see here, just hooked up to it on that day. So you don't see a lot of percentage here. 1.1 here, 3.54%. April 23rd, 6.03%, 9.68%, 13% there, 14% April 28th, 16.68% there, and then today is May 5th, already 28.49%. Okay, right. Let's go down here. Today, 4.93%. This week, gain 8.44%. This month, who wouldn't take? Now, again, we haven't been in a full month. We started on April 20th. So this month so far, just gonna say it like that, 5.94%. Let me ask you guys a real logical question. Your money right now is sitting, most of you sitting in a bank. How much money has your money in the bank made you today? I want to see comments. How much money, your money sitting in the bank right now, savings account, checking account, whatever it is, how much money has your money made for you today in your bank? Let me see your comments. Let me see your comments. Because I can tell you one thing. The money that I have in the bank, it hasn't made me anything today. Okay. It's made me zero. There you go. Marco, you're being honest, sir. Thank you. Zero. Zero. Okay. Guys, I'm showing you this. And again, I had people come to me, ask me, hey, what are your numbers? Can you tell me your numbers and all that? Let me scroll down some more. So far, you see the trades, 204 trades, profitability, pips, 1,424, average win, 14.86 pips, average loss. Guys, we're not winning every trade here, okay? I'm not going to tell you you're going to win every trade. 4.35 pips when it loses, okay? But overall, the profit has been $959, round it off to $960, okay? So my balance, so you see my balance right there. So it is growing daily. And guys, this is happening for me hands free. You set it up one time and you walk away, okay? Set it up one time, walk away. The most important thing in this is making sure you follow all the rules. Don't over leverage. Be patient. Okay, this thing works. Okay, and I appreciate the owner, Reginald Stinson. He's the owner of UOP FX for putting this gemstone together. Not the whole entire UOP Academy. It's been phenomenal. Okay, phenomenal. So that is what I wanted to show you guys today. For all you that want numbers, that needed numbers, you're visual, you needed to see something. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it right here. Okay, so if you're looking for something, guys, again, if you're looking to make passive income, I've been in this game. Now I'm talking, when I say game, I'm talking about the internet marketing world, affiliate marketing world, direct sales, all that combined. I started it 2002, between 2002, 2003, long time ago, going almost 20 years, almost 20 years combined. Now I wasn't full time that whole time, but guys, I've learned a lot in all these years, a lot of experience, a lot of trial and error. Okay, and there comes a time, even as an internet marketer, okay, and even as an internet marketer, where you're ready to, you're looking to eventually, exit. Okay, now I'm not talking about quitting, but exit certain things to where now you're not working as hard as you did when you first started. If you guys get my drift, like you get to a certain point, because I'm getting older. My wife and I, we like to travel. We got grandbaby on the way. It's getting to that time where you want to have things working for you on the back end. Why, whether you're working or not, you're sleeping. It doesn't matter. It's all happening for you. This is a beautiful thing here, guys. It's a blessing. And I wouldn't be of service if I didn't share anything like this with you. I wouldn't be of service. I wouldn't be, what my title is or my brand is, passive income guru. I wouldn't be that person if I didn't bring this to you. Okay? Sharing is caring. You heard about that. And I know during this time, during the COVID-19, a lot of people have lost their jobs, unfortunately. A lot of people have applied for unemployment, millions. Okay, people need something like this. This is why I so adamantly am passionate about Forex, because this is something It's between you and the charts. When you learn this skill, it's between you and it ain't between you and nobody else. Okay. And once you learn this skill, just like anything else, no one can strip that away from you. Nobody but you. Nobody but you. All right. So let me look at some. I'm looking at two different screens here on my phone. I'm looking at YouTube because this is on YouTube as well. And I'm looking on Facebook. Does anyone have any questions? I'm seeing a couple of questions on YouTube. Is it easy to set up? Maria, yes. Very, very easy to set up. It is very easy to set up. Yes, it is. We have video instructions on how to set this up step by step. Okay, A to Z. Hi, I've been sending you emails. My question is, so this is from Nelson. Let me do this. I'm gonna stop sharing. All right. Somebody gave me a mean face. I don't know who that is. What you got? Who was that mad? All right. Let's see here. I seen a question. All right, here we go. Hi, I've been sending you emails. My question is, after I pay the $125 for membership, how much I have to pay for trading and how much I pay for trading and for me to earn? Okay, so Nelson, after you pay your $125 and guys, the membership here is $125 a month. It is well worth it. I'm pretty sure you guys spend $125 in a day taking your family out, probably more than that. Okay, that is pennies on top of the education, the tools, the strategies that you're going to be able to acquire here to learn something that is going to take your income to another level. Okay, that is nothing. Okay, so how much? So we, when it comes to trading, it really we don't want to give those numbers. Okay, it's really up to you on what you decide to invest. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I just give information on what I'm doing. Okay, but it's really totally up to you. Now, me, if it were me, I'll say this. I like to start at a high. I like to start higher. When I start, trade, I'm a risk taker, so I go all in. Okay, if I was just getting started, I'd start with $1,000. Okay, because I want to see some gains. But I want to do it. You want to do it conservatively as well. You don't want to come in here and go crazy. It's all about patience with trading. It's all about risk management. Tanisha, there she go. Tanisha is our new customer, guys. Tanisha joined me, I think, what did she say? I'm looking at the comments now. Tanisha joined us a few days ago. It hasn't been a week yet. She said 5 days or so, yes, profit. That's what I'm talking about. Congratulations, Tanisha. Congratulations. I'm looking at some more comments, guys. If I don't see your comment, that's okay. Hey, I'm going to find you. That's all right. We got, hopefully that answered your question, Nelson. Hopefully that answered your question. Yes, it's easy to set up. All right, Jennifer, I'd really like to get in on this, but truthfully, I know nothing about this, and I get really nervous of getting into something I know nothing about. All right, that is a valid statement, Jennifer. Let me just put something in perspective for you, okay? And I always go back to college. Before you went to college, you knew nothing. Let's say you went to college for to become a nurse. Let's just say a nurse. All right. Before you went to college to become a nurse, you knew nothing about being a nurse and how to operate as a nurse. You knew nothing about it, but you decided to take your what's my word? you decided to take your motivation, you decided to take your passion to pursue the education in order to become a nurse. Okay, you was probably nervous during that time too, like many of us. Okay, so any change in life can have you become nervous, and that's okay. This is something, Jennifer, that when you get into it, and like I showed you in the back office, there's education. Okay, no need to be nervous about it. I mean, if you're nervous, okay, but once you understand that there's nothing to be nervous about, and that you can actually control your own financial destination with this, you're going to start. That nervousness is going to go away. It's going to go away. Okay, so hopefully that made sense to you, and that kind of encouraged you a little bit. Who is this here? Buddha Black. Hey, passive. You probably meant to say passive income guru. Can you share your Scalp King settings? Buddha. Are you already in the UOP, sir? Because there's already settings. There's already settings that the company gives already, sir. Okay. Setup strategy, Jai. The setup we have. So the setup we already have for you inside of the company. Okay. When you look at the video inside of the back office, you're going to be shown exactly how to get set up. Okay, with all the settings and everything. All right. All right. Looking at some more questions here, guys. Yes, this is the EA, the Scalp King. Guys, we got other EAs in the back office too, okay? Got other EAs too, but this is the one that I'm using. I'm just scrolling, looking at more questions here. I'm trying to find out who gave me that mean face though. Somebody gave me a mean face. All right. What average? All right, I'm reading on YouTube now. Let's see here. Marcel from YouTube. What averages percentage per month are typical with conservative settings on the EA Scalp King? All right, so again, Marcel, I can't give out percentages on, I can't literally say to you, you're going to earn 3% a day. You're going to earn 1% a day. You're going to earn 5% a day. I cannot do that, okay? Remember, I told you earlier in the video that my results are not typical. What I make and the percentages I have are going to be completely different from the percentages that you accumulate, that everybody else in the company accumulates, because Scalp King, ladies and gentlemen, is what it does is sifts the market for price action moves. Okay, let me say that one more time. And you'll learn more about price action in the academy. It sifts the market for price action moves, and then it'll place the trade automatically. Okay, but as far as percentages, giving you, hey, this is what, if you come across a company, and I've been there, guys. Again, I've been around the block hundreds of thousands of times. And I used to join companies back in the day that said, hey, we're going to give you such and such percent. If you see a company out there like that says we're going to guarantee you such and such percent per day, run the other way and fast. Do not join them. They would not last. Okay. Again, I know, because I used to be a part of companies like that. Yeah, I made a little money with them, but they disappeared and they broke down and they took a lot of people's money. So that's why I get on here and say this. I cannot give you percentages for sale. All right. I cannot do that. All right. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? All right, Nelson. What's the minimum investment for me to start trading? Now, it depends on what you're trying to do, Nelson. Are you wanting to come in here and learn the skill, which, again, I encourage you to do? and you want to start trading manually, all right, or do you want to hook up to one of the EAs? It depends on what you're trying to do. Again, if it were me, I cannot make the decision for you, but if it were me, I'm coming in at at least $500 to $1,000. Okay, $500 to $1,000. You can even start, if you want, you can even probably do 250, or I've seen traders, start with little as $100 and grow that up big time. So it's really up to you and your budget and your taste, okay? And how, it's just really up to you. All right, guys. Any other questions? Any other questions? I see one that came in from YouTube again. Mr. Simpson, what's going on, sir? Can you earn on a MLM basis? Now, for those of you who don't know what MLM is, it stands for multi-level marketing. And let me just put this out there, Orain. This particular company is not a MLM company, sir. It is not multi-level marketing. Now, we do have, you do make affiliate commissions when you decide, okay, when you decide to come with us, join us, and you say, hey, I like what I'm experiencing here. I want to tell other people about it. You become an affiliate. Yes, you do get affiliate commissions, but not on an MLM basis. You're not building massive downlines or anything like that. So that's the big difference too in this as well. So hopefully that answers your question right there. All right. Tommy Klein, what's up, brother? Tommy Klein is a new customer of mine. Tommy, I'm gonna message you personally, sir, and get you and help you out with that. Okay, I'm gonna message you personally and help you out with that. All right, guys, is that it? I think I answered all the questions. I think that's it. Let me look at YouTube. I think that is it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ready to get started, you're going to go to Trade with Kima, spelled KIMA.com. TradeWithKima.com, and that's going to get you started. Okay, TradeWithKima.com. Again, guys, jump on this Forex train. This is the best time to get started with Forex. Okay, this is the best time to get started with Forex. All right. So, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk to you guys later. Take care, and God bless.